Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to generate a report, customize the report, and export the report for future use on the Link and Learn platform. As you go to the main page of Link and Learn platform, you will navigate to the report page by clicking on the setting icon on the top right corner of the page. You scroll down a little bit, and on the very left column, you can see the report function. Clicking on that, it will lead you to the report page. The first thing you will see when the report page is popped up is a quick summary report. Now, this part is the vendor's default setting for the page, and we don't really use it for generating our report. What we are going to do is from here, we will scroll down to the bottom part where you can see the actual report function with 4 standard reports that the GSE team created for y'all. Now keep in mind that these reports are used as references only. You can always create different reports that you see fit to your business needs by using customized report feature, which I will address later in this video. As I mentioned, there are 4 reports that's already created, and there's links to the Rise course that will explain to you what are these reports being used for, which we are not going into details in this tutorial. To see these individuals' reports, you will click on the magnifying glasses on the right side. When it's loaded, you can now see the report with different data set, data fields, and attributes. You can always customize these attributes as you see fit to your report purposes by using the customize feature. Once you finish looking at this report and want to export it, you will navigate to the top left corner of the page where you can see the export options. As you're clicking on the drop-down menu, there are 3 options for you to choose from. You can export it as an Excel file, CSV file, or HTML. And in this tutorial, I will export it as an Excel file. Once it's completed, you can download the file and edit or submit it as necessary. You can also export the report directly on the report page by clicking the export icon next to the magnifying glasses instead of going into the detailed report. Moving on in this video, as you want to create your own report, customize feature is your friend. Now, as you click on this Create Custom Report feature, you can start the process of creating your own report. The first thing you can do is you can name your report. Let's say you want to create a course completion rate, and then you'll click on the course user options. Here you will have many other options to choose from, such as user contributions, audit trail, or user learning objects, whichever meets your needs. You continue by clicking Next. Here you can either choose all the courses that you want to see on the report, or you can select a certain course category that you want to see. Click Next. You will do the same thing for selecting all user or a certain user for the report. Next. Now, here's the part you can filter out your report using different metrics such as enrollment date, completion date, and so on, as well as choose the attribute or column for your report. Here I'll choose course category, user in progress, user that have completed the course, and total time spent. Now you can change these up, really depends on what type of information you would like to see or to read from the report. You click Next, and here you can sort your report either by course name or course category in ascending order or descending order. Next, you can now save and show your report, or you can just save it and back to the report page. In many situations, you don't want a certain people to see your report, so that is where you can change the privacy setting for the reports you created. To change the report privacy setting, you will look at the second column from the right. You click on the privacy status. Here is the private one. Now you can choose who you would like to see the report. You can make it either public to all users or choose certain user who you can see and then click confirm. Now you can see it change from private to selected user, and you can do the same thing for other reports that you want to change the privacy setting. And the last thing I want to address in this tutorial is to narrow down the selections of the reports. You can narrow down the report selections by looking up the person who created the report. Here, let's find all the report that I created. You can go to this top left corner and type the person name into the box, and then click onto the option. And then it will only show all the reports that I created, which will make it so much easier and faster for you when you want to find something, or you want to find some reports that you couldn't find amongst hundreds of reports that's already on the page. So those are all the issues that I want to address in this tutorial. I hope this will be helpful, and if you have any difficulty navigating or using the platform, please reach out to members of our team and we are happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.